Hello dear traders, I'm Maria Stradop and this is the review of crypto analytics from fx.co. It's the 8th of February today, Wednesday, and Bitcoin continues to consolidate near the 23,000 level. However, its fundamental background and technical picture look quite controversial, and today we will discuss what to expect from the flagship cryptocurrency next, and then in the end we will get to technical picture of Ethereum also. And we will start with an article by Artem Petrenko and Bitcoin. So Artem says that the bullish trend of Bitcoin continues to weaken and the asset is increasingly moving towards consolidation. Over the past 2 weeks, the cryptocurrency has made 3 false breakouts above a 23,000 level, which indicates a decrease in buying potential. At the same time, sellers continue to accumulate volumes and gradually put pressure on the price, bringing Bitcoin closer to correction. Buyers continue to hold key positions for a bullish move, but volumes are falling every day. Also, according to CoinShares, the inflow of investments continues. However, last week it was $76 million, which is less than 2 weeks ago. At the same time, BBG experts are confident that Bitcoin can resume its bullish trend in the near future. They attribute this to the upcoming formation of the golden cross pattern when the 200-day moving average crosses the 50-day upwards. The situation remains ambiguous since, on the one hand, buyers continue to hold positions near 23,000 level with difficulty absorb bearish volumes. On the other hand, over the past 5 days, Bitcoin has not formed a single green candle, indicating growing selling pressure. As for stock market, some disturbing news come from there also, and Goldman Sachs forecasts the local rally is ending, and this year should become quite difficult for stock market. Wall Street Journal experts also note that the release of the latest economic statistics, especially on the labor market, may induce the Fed to raise the key rate 2 or 3 times more. And let me remind you that most of investors expected the final quarter of the regulator's policy in March. The situation can change this time. So the S&P 500 is gradually declining, and the crypto market may follow the suit. As for technical picture, let's have a look at the chart. The bears are having a hard time developing the downward movement, which is evident from the candlestick volume dynamics of the last 2 days. Buyers are holding positions near 22,800, 23,000, and as long as this area is intact, Bitcoin will continue to move sideways. Meanwhile, technical indicators do not show consolidation. The RSI index has made a local reversal in the upward direction, which may indicate an attempt by the bulls to absorb bearish volumes. At the same time, the stochastic and MACD are moving sideways, smoothly turning into a downward movement. So, making a conclusion, Artem says, for sellers, yesterday's already Powell's statement can become a key trigger for a bearish breakdown of 22,800, 23,000 area. In such a development, we should mark out two key bullish targets, the levels of 21,800 and 20,400. If the circumstances are favorable, the corrective movement will end there. However, if the market plunges into panic again and starts fixing break-even or minimal profit in masses, Bitcoin might continue decreasing to 18,800 and to 19,000 levels. However, as of yesterday, such a scenario is unlikely but possible, Artem says. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Bitcoin for the moment. Today we will see the situation, how it is after the Jerome Powell speech. And what do we see? Yes, that very volatility right around the time was Jerome Powell's speech. Bitcoin went sharply up, almost to 23,300, then sharply down to 22,900, then again up, and it opened today already at 23,246, and now it is trading at 23,197. Well, so far it is still above 23,000, and bears didn't manage to break through that very 22,800, 23,000 area. So the quotes still remain above this area so far. And now let's get to another article by Ralph Shedler and Ethereum technical picture. The article was also written late yesterday's evening. Ethereum was trading in the green at 1,661. At the time of writing, the buyers remained bullish in the short term, so further growth is in cards, Ralph says. Temporary retreats or consolidations should attract more buyers. Yes. So as you can see on the chart, the price found resistance right above 1,676, and now it has come back to test and retest the 1,591, 1,611 support zone. As long as it stays above it, the altcoin could jump higher. The price action developed a flag pattern down channel, which represents a potential upside formation. So, a valid breakout through the flag's resistance and above 1,676, a new higher high validates a potential upside continuation and is seen as a long opportunity, Ralph says. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Ethereum for the moment. And of course, we see the similar movement, similar to Bitcoin. Also, yesterday's evening it went sharply up, then sharply down. Ethereum opened today, the 8th of February, at the point 1,668, and now it is trading at 1,673. It's really close to the breaking that very level Ralph mentioned, 1,676. It's almost at this point now. So probably, yes, the bias remains bullish. Okay, this is all for today. We will see each other again in our next review tomorrow. As usual, I wish you profitable trading and successful day. And till next time, goodbye.